will see Evans playing the iconic role played by Whoopi Goldberg in the movie. Grab your soul sisters and see this very funny, divine show. Phone the Town Hall Theatre Galway at 091 569 777 or online at tht.ie. Sister Act, next week at the Town Hall Theatre Galway.
What is wrong with this bird?
When it comes to Cheltenham, the going doesn't get better than this.
I'm Paddy Mullins. Pick up the Irish Independent all this week for top tips and the most comprehensive coverage of the Cheltenham Festival, with expert analysis of every race from Ivan Yates, Michael Verney and Wayne Bailey, as well as my unique insights. Plus, Vincent Hogan captures the special flavour of the festival.
Pick up the Irish Independent today and equip yourself to take on the bookies. The Irish Independent, the official Irish newspaper to the Cheltenham Festival.
ID Mobile customers will need to find a new provider in the coming weeks. Switching networks with Carphone Warehouse couldn't be quicker or easier. We give you expert advice and all the choice with a huge range of the latest smartphones, the best plans, with 4G and all the top networks like Vodafone, 3 and Air. And if you're an ID Mobile customer, you get €20 to spend in-store when you switch at Carphone Warehouse. Any network, any phone, any plan. Only Carphone Warehouse. Terms and conditions apply.
It's not just about our fresh lobsters or melted-about steaks that makes the Pierhead Bar and Restaurant Kinvara so popular. It's all about our family and yours. No matter what the occasion, be it communion, confirmation, christening or birthday, or just that special evening out, the Pierhead Bar and Restaurant always has something on its menu to make your occasion our occasion. We love to serve the best food. So book today and taste what everyone is talking about. The Pierhead Bar and Restaurant Kinvara. Visit pierhead.ie